26,950 and surging. So yes, that uptick that the GIFT Nifty was indicating to us earlier in the pre-open session, that seems to be maintained, but we're flopping around that 26,000 mark, and we've slipped below that once again. Sensex also 0.2% higher. The advance decline ratio very steeply in the favor of the advances, so looking good over there. Nifty Bank is looking good with about a 0.3% uptick and above the 59,000 mark at open. So Nifty Bank continues to look good. Its names like Tata Motors PV, 1.5% uptick on the back of that Sierra launch, looking good for the company. JSW Steel, Geo Financial, HCL Tech, these are some of your top Nifty gainers. On the flip side, top Nifty loser this morning, Bharti Airtel on the back of the block deal pressure, 2.5% lower. Tata Consumer and BEL seeing very mild cuts. Let's get into some stock-specific action and tell you which stocks have news flow today. Let's start by looking at NCC, an order win of 2,063 crores from the Assam government. That stock should be doing pretty okay, and it is 2.5% uptick on NCC. Indraprastha Gas, or IGL, they've entered into a joint venture to set up a new biogas plant. Positive news flow for IGL and about a 2% uptick on that front. Nelco has received the Department of Telecommunication approved to expand their SATCOM business. Nelco looking very strong this morning. About a 4% gap up open is what we've seen on Nelco. United Breweries, they've launched Heineken Silver in New Delhi. That's their new beer launch. So United Breweries will be up on your screen shortly as well. And that stock is absolutely flat. HCL Tech has signed a collaboration pact with Amazon Web Services for the financial services industry expansion. So HCL Tech should be doing okay. It is about 0.5% higher. New approvals coming in for Zydus Life Sciences as well as Sun Pharma this morning, as was the case with Dr. Reddy's yesterday. That stock did pretty okay. Zydus Life is up 0.5%. Sun Pharma should also be doing okay, and that's slightly flat as we speak. Now, on the back of some other news flow, you have Keynes Tech on the back of their analyst meet takeaway, wherein they're saying the revenue is likely to exceed 1,300 crores in Q3. Positive commentary coming in. Keynes Tech is up about 2.5%. Motilal Oswal has initiated coverage on Century Plyboards, Serra Sanitary, and reiterated their buy on Kajaria. So the entire building materials space should be doing very well in today's trade. Century Ply is up by about 1.25%. Surya Roshni, the company, has announced that it will install solar power plants in Uttarakhand and Madhya Pradesh. Positive development for Surya Roshni, but the stock not doing all that much. So that's the take on some of the stocks that had some news flow and have been doing pretty okay. On the flip side, if you take a look at some of the top losers from the Nifty 500 group of stocks, it's names like Eris Life Sciences, that was up yesterday, about a 2% cut there, followed by Aether Energy, Deepak Fertilizers, Dr. Lal PathLabs, and Transformers and Rectifiers, that was up about 8% on the back of an order win, is seeing some profit taking. If you take a look at some top gainers this morning, SAIL is doing pretty well, a 3% uptick over there, as is the case with Gravita India, Keynes Technologies, Tata Motors like we were talking about. IOB on the back of that tax refund that they've received, about 850 odd crore rupees, is up 2%. RR Cable, NCC, Latent View, all of these stocks are doing pretty well. Good to see Aditya Birla Lifestyle Brands also picking up some steam, a 2% uptick on that stock. So Aditya Birla group of stocks did well yesterday, and they continue to do that as well. Asha, anything else that you're spotting?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Let's just check in on those realty names. They made a good comeback in trade yesterday. Realty was your top sectoral winner. Nifty Realty just consolidating quietly around that mark right now, but I want to check in on what Phoenix, Sobha, etc. are up to and whether they are the ones which are adding to the buoyancy. Quite not. Very, very tempered, as is the case with the Nifty as well. We're up about 0.2%, circling around the 25,950 mark in trade as we speak right now. But what about an AB Capital? What about an IIFL, Federal Bank? All those names should come up for you on your screens, and it seems that Bharti promoter block deal has happened. Stock lower by about almost 2% as we speak right now. Remember, the promoter was looking to sell equity worth about almost 0.5% stake, worth $806 million at a discount to its yesterday's close. 2.25% lower for Bharti. 2112 is where that stock is. But Kunal, not much cheer on the index.